Okay, here in Kroger's, as you can see, they were having some problem that they were not having access. They were not having access to this monitor that you see here and there. So they pay me 150, around 150 to just power cycle the units. And all I have to do, if you have to do a shop like that, you go there and you go to the power strip, turn it off, turn it back on. That's it. That is easy money. But if you're designing these type of things, there is a solution for this. So in order to avoid this kind of problem, what you can do is two things. One, you can buy those outlets, IP outlets, so that way you can power cycle things remotely. Here I'm going to show you power cycle. You see the power strip, turn it off, turn it back on, that's it. Number two, you can buy a timer. So with a timer, the advantage is that even if you have internet or not, it will work anyway. So what I would do in this type of situation, I would add a timer just for the cable modem. So that way if the cable modem hangs or something happens, you know that once a week, maybe 3 a.m. or something like that, it will power cycle the unit and everything should work just fine. I have done that in the past and it works pretty well. Also, if you want maybe to power cycle one of these computers remotely, you can use these IP outlets that I was talking about, so that way you can power cycle it, remotely. The downside, sometimes these IP outlets might not work, but is less likely. Usually with these two solutions that I told you, you should be okay. I have done this for another customers, installing these IP outlets, and they are great. So if you need to do something like that, I'm going to leave in the video description those things, so that way you're not going to do this type of mistakes, because these mistakes are very expensive. If you think Kroger's, they don't have just one or two branches, they have many. So in order to save a lot of money, so you don't have to send me just a tech just to do a simple shop like I did, that will be the best solution.